are going to be taking a look at our Timberwolf 250. It needs a starter, and I'm going to show you today how to put a new starter into it. In order to take off this starter, you need to take off this bolt here, that bolt there, this one down here, and then the other one up at the top here. Okay, now you are going to need to pull back the rubber off the nut that is holding on the electrical wire onto the starter. After that, it will probably come out pretty easy, but it might sometimes be stuck, so yeah, we'll move on to that afterwards. Have it off now. I think I'll just be able to wiggle it around. It might be a different tightness on different machines, but I think I can just wiggle it and it should just come off because it's already pretty loose. A little bit more difficult than I thought it would be. I ended up having to use a mallet and screwdriver and hit it from the other end. Of course, I don't recommend doing this if you're planning on not replacing yours like I am. If you're just going to use a rebuild kit, you may not want to damage yours. Now, of course, you just need to reverse the process. I recommend using a soft mallet to hammer it in lightly, just lightly tap it until it goes into position. We're trying to get it into that hole in there. So, it should be pretty easy installing it, much easier than taking it off. Sure, you put it in the right position. Like, these need to be in this position lined up with your mount that holds it on. Alright, it is in now. We have a brand new starter in here. Now you just need to test it and make sure you did everything correctly. If you didn't, you'll just have to go back in and find out what you did wrong. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something from this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. If you loved it, please subscribe.